Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did forget to film my intro and outro to this video. Makeup belongs to another video, but I thought I would quickly film the intro and outro. So Jax told me that I pretty much had to pack up the whole room, pack up everything and leave out just what I need for the next few months because we are moving. So I thought I would take you guys along with me just packing up my room. As you can see in the video, I pretty much procrastinated the whole time. Like I don't know, I was just like so stressed and I didn't know what to leave out and what not to, but I hope you guys enjoy. But yeah, other than all the procrastination and just, I don't know, you guys will see for yourself anyway. I hope this keeps you entertained for a little while and I hope you all enjoy. So that is my room before I pack it down. I thought it would just be a cool thing to insert into the vlog. That way we can like compare and see how crazy it's going to look without everything in it. And the scariest thing as well is that like I could be here until who knows when, like 5 months in a plain boring white room with no furniture. Like it's just going to be a white box. So this is what we're working with. At the moment I have shoved things in there because I needed to film that bit just then and I just wanted to quickly get it out of the way. So we have to pack all of this. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to take. I don't know what to leave myself. Pretty much I think I might start off with all his stuff because we're definitely, yeah, packing all his stuff. So I might start off with that. So I'm just going to start off by, I think... See, do you keep clothes on the coat hangers or fold them? Let me just see. We got to FaceTime the boss. Do we take the clothes off the coat hangers or leave them? Do we take the clothes off Do we take the clothes off the coat hangers or leave it on there? In a box, aren't we? Do I have to take my shoes out of shoe boxes?
No. Leave them in there.
You're in the vlog. Okay. Okay, so just spoke with the boss and we are packing all his stuff now. I forget if he said okay, put on the clothes hangers. He actually didn't give me an answer. Got one of the boxes. It's a box that our pram came in. So, and we also have 2 boxes from the car seats as well. So it kind of came in handy. I feel like I can leave the coat hangers on if I fold it like that. This is how I'm putting it in the box. Like that. We're gonna find such weird shit in this wardrobe, I swear. He's probably gonna yell at me the way I'm doing this, but I mean, I feel like it's convenient. My nan brought these for him for Christmas. I don't like this already. This vlog is going to be me contemplating my whole life a million times, complaining a million times, daydreaming a million times, procrastinating a million times. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Okay, so it is now 7 o'clock and I've pretty much done as much as I can. So I'll show you guys what I've done. I've seen this before, so I've put the baskets from down there up there, got rid of all that. I just got to pack those 2 plants and all that furniture is staying. So it's just the 2 plants, the Xbox that I'm taking, all that's staying. I just need to pack my pillows and throw rugs because I'm going to take them. All these drawers are now empty, and then this is what the wardrobe looks like, and I just got to pack that still. So I just got to pack that, the 2 plants, the Xbox, and then I have to conquer the bathroom, which is all my makeup and stuff. So I'm scared to pack all that because I do not want any of that to be broken or anything. And I think I'm up to 10 boxes already, so I have 5 boxes left to fit everything else in. So I've done pretty good, I feel. So I am now going to have dinner and I'm going to then take my makeup off and stuff. I'm gonna just relax in bed, probably watching movies or something. Actually, I'll edit my video that I need to upload tomorrow. I will just be vlogging probably the bathroom, and then I'll probably wrap that vlog up here. So it's just more like a follow me around while I pack my whole life up video. Something a little bit different, but I just want to record it. So yeah. Anyways, good night guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hi guys, hope you are doing well. So it's now the next day and I'm just gonna get a start on the bathroom. So I just need to go through my personal makeup, and I might go through like my makeup kit and just all my drawers and stuff, and kind of just organize what I need to pack and what is staying, which is going to be so stressful because I like to, you know, create content and stuff. So yeah, trying to figure out what products I want to keep here and what not to keep here is going to be definitely challenging. So yeah, I might just you know, speed it up a bit and just kind of do like a fast forward on the bathroom. Let's get started with that and be a little productive. Okay, so I just finished all this area. So as I was saying, this drawer set is going. So I needed to really declutter it, get everything out and only keep what I use in there. That way when they come to pick up everything, I can quickly run in here and take everything out. So our first drawer just has like hair products with the, you know, like hair ties, bobby pins and stuff. Our second drawer has brushes and our heating tools. And then our third drawer has our skincare, and it does look like a lot, but I feel like I use most of it like pretty much every day. And then I have my nail drawer, and I did want to keep a few, like I always just have my nails the same color, but I just wanted to keep a few different like nude colors out, that way I can change the tone if I get bored. So yeah, that's that, and every other drawer is empty. And then I also have my lashes here that companies send out to me, and then my sponges I just cleaned. So yeah, that's pretty much the bathroom done. I'm gonna tidy a few things up, and I'm gonna like vacuum and mop the floors and stuff. I need to get 5 more boxes and then pack the rest of the stuff, and that's everything. All the other stuff can go, like has to stay with me until I move, which as I said earlier, I don't know when I'm moving, so I could be moving in a month, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, like we don't know. So I've had to keep out the stuff that I use day to day. So I'm gonna be living a very minimalistic life for the next few months, which is crazy. But I mean, it works out well because I'm in isolation, so I don't really need that much stuff. Where if I was at work, I would need a lot more stuff. I feel like my skin looks so shiny. Good morning guys, so today I am just about to head off to Bunnings with Mum because I just have a few things I need to pack. So we have 5 boxes left, and yeah, we pretty much just have to get rid of all that stuff up the top here. And then I just want to put all my throw rugs and decorative pillows in there, and then we just have these 2 like poof things that I need to pack as well. I just want them in a box, that way they don't get ruined, and like all of that's together, like with my throw rugs and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything is very bare and minimal in my room at the moment. I'm so not used to it, but yeah, it feels so weird actually going to leave the house. I haven't left the house in like 3 weeks. I think once in 3 weeks I went to Woolies one time. Like, I'm excited to go to Bunnings. I don't know, like, ew. Yeah, this is my daily adventure. So I just finished cleaning everything and packing everything, so that is it. This is my room, and I feel like a minimalist. That's the word. Sounds so weird every time I say it, but yeah, everything is gone. All the drawers are empty. I have like a few random knickknacks in those, but yeah. So it is me again, and that is it for this moving vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it wasn't too boring for you all. I don't know, I feel like I overthink so much, and I'm like, I don't want to upload it just in case it's boring. I found it quite funny, like watching back the footage, because I'm like, I didn't realize how much I actually like just procrastinated, and just like I'd just stand there and stare in space because I just didn't know what to do, or I just didn't want to do it. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a nice big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to try and pump out a lot more content for you guys. So every Sunday I will be uploading, and then I might add on additional days later on. But yeah, I thought I want to take you guys along with the whole move and everything, and this is a good way to start off. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!